Welcome back, viewers. It's 6 in the morning. I've just woken up. Something I'm going to start today for a course, which is going to be very interesting and very special. And I wanted to do this for a very long time. So I thought, why not record this and make a vlog out of it? So this video is going to be in 4 parts. Today is going to be the first part. I'm currently staying in North Goa because the course that I'm doing is in extreme north. So I have to be there present at around 9 o'clock every morning. So if I was staying in south, to travel it would have taken me approximately 2 hours. So I could not take that chance. So I'm staying in North Goa. So the travel time reduces, and I don't want to tell much here. Y'all watch this. Only the thing is, I've woken up. I had a bath, but I forgot to get my towel. So I had a bath, and then I realized I forgot to get my towel. So I used the handkerchief to wipe myself. Forget about that. Let's see on the way if hopefully I get a towel. So have a guess what this can be. Where I require a towel, and I have to wake up so early morning. I hope you all enjoy this. This is going to be epic. Just enjoy. They told me to reach around 9:15. I thought I will take around 1 hour to reach, but I reached here in 20 minutes, so I have to wait now for 1 hour. The place is closed. So okay, the property is nice, so it's like very soothing and calming, like a lot of vegetation in and around, and there's a nice pool out there and various types of plants also. And I like the architecture, like it has that proper Portuguese wala built with all natural material like laterite stones and roof, and it has even vegetation going around in the roof. So I like this place, it's very nice, but still have to wait for like 1 hour more. Guys, this is my instructor, Shinjini.
Hi, my name is Shinjini.
And Shinjini, thank you for having me here.
We are very happy to have you and really glad that you've signed up with Scuba Evolution India for your open water course. We welcome you and hi to all your followers.
So, Shinjini, today being the first day, before that, which course I have applied for? Just tell me something about it. Tell the viewers something about it, and also what we are going to do on day 1.
Okay, so Yash here has signed up for the open water diver course, which is a 4-day program. The open water diver course lets you be an independent scuba diver, and you are allowed to dive up to a depth of 18 meters anywhere in the world with a certified buddy, another diver who is at the same or higher level of certification than you are. You do not necessarily have to have an instructor or a dive professional with you to go diving anymore. You learn how to set up your own gear, monitor your own air supply, do your own safety checks and process, and then you get to go diving wherever in the world you want, up to 18 meters, like I said. Okay. The organization that certifies you is called PADI. PADI is a globally valid and the biggest dive certification agency at the moment, and the license that you get is valid everywhere across the world. You can walk into any dive shop with a PADI cert and they can take you diving. The open water diver course that Yash is doing right now is a 4-day program. It's a combination of theory in the classroom where we are right now, pool work, which is outside and we take you there, and then 4 dives, 2 dives per day over 2 days. Now, today is day 1 for Yash. We are finishing all his theory work, so he knows what he is going to do when we take him into the pool tomorrow. That is not always the workflow. Depending on logistics and class groups that we have, we sometimes do a little bit of theory and a little bit of pool, little bit of theory, little bit of pool, and then we go diving for 2 days. Some people don't like to be in class for the whole day, unlike Yash. So we have to take them in the pool. Okay.
So Shinji, this was nice. I guess tomorrow there are more guys joining us.
Yes, Yash is going to have a few more classmates at different levels. Some of whom are going to be doing open water at the same level as him. Others are refreshing skills and learning other courses. Most of them will be in the pool tomorrow. So there will be 5 students and 2 instructors all together in the pool tomorrow.
So today my classes are done. I only have to go through an examination.
Yes, you have to go through the exercises and examinations.
It's a 3-level
Yes.
examination, and after that I'll be ready for day 2.
Practicals tomorrow. Yes, day 2.
Cool. See you.
Okay.
Just had lunch. This guy suggested me that near the center there is some good place for fish thali, but didn't like it at all. Means that place was close. There was a place besides it, but didn't like it at all. Had fried rice and chicken. I thought it will be made like a Goan style, but some Keralite people were running it, so not as per my expectation, but pretty good. For that moment, we have come back to the center. Now just enjoy the view where we are. The architecture of this place, I loved it a lot. Surrounded by so much of tree plantation. Just love the entire place. The atmosphere, the vibes of this place are really great. And the stay is also completely made up of all laterite stone, which gives a good heritage feel. So we finished our first part. Now we are doing the second part, that is the quiz and the questionnaire part. Let's see how it goes. After that I'll update you on once that is done. This is the place where I'm getting trained. It's T1, and you may be wondering why I'm still not in waters, because I'm doing this course. So after lunch, I had lunch. I had to answer like around hundreds of questions. Here you can see the questions. It was a MCQ based, and I had to answer like for 2.5 hours. And then I had to do a final answering, which I'm still in progress, and then submit it to the instructor. Then she'll give me a final approval. It's a yes or a no, and after that I'll have to proceed. And if I have done any mistake, she'll guide me what I have to read on, what was the reason behind that answer. And it's not that I just have to go in the water and dive. I had watched like 5 hours of videos in which they explained me each and every procedure in the basics, the emergency tactics, the water pressure, the water level, at which the various charts available for the dive, and how I should take care of myself in an emergency, how should I react, all these things. So I thought it was very easy initially, that just go in water and dive, but it's not that case. I had to go all over this, and then I had to finish this. Done for today. Finished all my written tests, all my interviews. I wouldn't say like an interview, but a verbal test. Had to answer like almost 80-90 questions. I would say at least 8 plus 80-90 questions, but lot of learning. I would say they are asking such so many questions because this is a very anxiety driven sports, so we have to take utmost care, and they are trying to assure utmost assurance that you all don't miss out on any points, so that or you all don't neglect on anything, and while doing the actual performing the actual task, you all just take the topmost safety and do it, so that that doesn't occur any bad accident and all. Overall, day one done with day one. Heading back home now. Have to make my own dinner and have to work out also. So I hope you guys enjoy. Day one is done. Day two, let's see you. Bye.
It's a vlog.
Yes, say hi to it. You know vlog?
I know.
Who told you about vlog? Huh? You watch vlogs?
Yeah.
Whose you watch? You have a YouTube channel? Yeah. You will follow me. I have a YouTube channel.
I will follow you. Okay.
Okay? Nice. But you don't know Hindi? You don't know Konkani?
I don't know Konkani.
And where you stay?
Red car is my car.
Where?
Red car is mine.
Oh, nice.
Red bike is my car. And then my house.
Nice meeting you. You're such a sweet person. And what's your name?
Elena.
Alina. Oh,
And what's your name?
my name is Yash.
We have
You have a
another yes.
another Yash? Nice.
No.
Is your friend?
This is Adam.
What's his name?
Monday.
Mandego doesn't like me, I guess. I said hi to him. What's his name? Basanti. Hi Basanti. And what's his name? Monday. Hi. He doesn't like me. I met him also. I met him. I met Basanti. I met Mandego. Tommy. I met Tommy. He was inside.
I don't know.
Yes, see Tommy. See Tommy. See Tommy knows me. I know. Tommy knows me. Only how he got hurt? Oh. I'll see you. Bye, Alina.